want to get line drive.
Want to lose weight and keep eating? For you.
In my financial situation.
What you got?
Now I was raised in a sandbox next to you and her. You was holding a handgun. She was giving birth to a baby born to be just like you. I wonder what's that's worth. I wonder if you ever knew you was a role model to me first. The next day I woke up in the morning, seen you on the news. Looked in the mirror then realized that I had something to prove. You told me, don't be like me, just finish watching cartoons. Which is funny now, cause all I see is wily coyotes in the room. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. That's ironic. I run it. That's ironic. I run it.
So all of my wounds and my tears.
Alright, y'all. Finna do another intake. Intake time?
Oh yeah. It's not loud enough.
I didn't hear you come in, man.
Ivan, let's put this penis maker in for him, and don't give him the key until I tell you until he pays in full. All right. This Dodge put that in there, or is that aftermarket?
That's Dodge. That's stock.
And you was driving around with that?
Yeah, yeah.
Come on, man. This right here, penis maker. Look at that. Look at the sun. Look at that carbon fiber. See, this alone is $5,000. I'm not even charging you for labor.
Do I got to pay for labor?
I'm not charging you for labor.
Okay.
This is $5,000. This $2,500.
Okay.
And these little pieces right here adds up to $10,000.
Okay.
I'm not even charging you for labor, man. All right.
I appreciate that, dude. Thank you.
Yeah, that's because, you know, y'all gave Ivan a tip the other day. He said he'd do it. So, yeah, man, let's go in here and let me get half now.
Okay, let's go.
Half what is done. Yeah, Ivan, don't give him his key until he paid him $10,000.
10 racks for this one.
Oh,
huh?
yeah.
Oh, man.
I gave Kylie a deal with the 4,500 internet. Oh, he's swindling him. He's swindling him. Hey, you get what you pay for, man. You know what I mean? This is top of the line shop. Look at the sales tax.
Is it hot?
Hell yeah.
It's because Callie was overcharging me.
Yeah, Hyphy Whitey, make sure you give Ivan a nice tip, man.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I didn't charge you for labor. $10,000 for the penis maker, so just take care of my bad. You know what I mean? My man, you know, you say you got it, so you should be tipping him nicely. You know?
Okay.
And I'll be waiting for you here to pay your total $10,000.
It's hot? Yeah! I'm over here laughing at him.
I'm like,
Need some gloves, homie? I got some gloves in here.
no, it's not even that. It's just wherever I touch, it's all hot.
How much of a tip you leaving, my guy?
I gotta go to the bank.
That ain't what you said earlier.
Yeah, what is it? Maybe
How much you giving him?
like 100.
I didn't charge you no labor, so he needs a little bit more than that, man.
How much?
I'm like 300, man.
Okay.
Make sure I get half of that tip. Dude just came in. Kind of look like I
He said, kind of look like you.
So he just came in. Bang, bang.
And we can twist it a little bit.
They got him and they asked him why he do it. He said the voices just told him to do it for 2 weeks. Crazy, man. Oh, so that's how that's gonna sit in there?
Yeah, it just sits right there.
It don't have no nothing? Is that right?
Nothing.
Damn. I can see why it might be a little louder. Done, Ivan.
Is it done? I'm trying to get going, bro.
Oh, did you pay for it
Done,
already?
Ivan?
Yeah, it's done, but he paid for it.
Nah.
Oh, well, let me get that key, bro.
Nah, let me shut this sign. You don't, hey, you don't pay yet? You don't get your key, man. You already seen how I get down when these customers come in here and talk about giving their key.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm
Get
sorry.
the car.
Sorry, dude.
Don't play that. It's a good job, Ivan. Get your tip, and I'll be waiting for you inside.
Alright, I'm sorry. Sorry, dude.